Hello everyone, welcome again. So we'll continue the discussion on the tags that we can include in the header element. So moving on. So the next tag would be link. The link tag helps in indicating the relationship of documents, and this helps in linking the files like scripts styles created in a separate file. So what does it mean? We uh, created styles and scripts earlier in the previous video. So if you want to insert JavaScript, we can use script tag. If you want to insert style, we can use I mean, if you want to insert styles or CSS, we can use style tag. So what if these styles or the scripts become more complex or become more lengthier? So those lines along with the HTML lines, elements, everything, the document would become more lengthier and it is very difficult to maintain and it is very difficult to read as well. To resolve all these issues, the link would resolve all these issues. So how? So we can create script in separate file, JavaScript file, styles in separate CSS file, and then link it in the element inside the HTML document using link tag, and that would be still available in the HTML document. So without any delay, we'll just jump into the demo to understand it better. So going back to the same document that we have created earlier. So let me do something here. I'll just add some link. So I'm just saying I've created a link to the style sheet. So style sheet is nothing but the CSS, and type is again text and CSS, and the is href is just the reference or the file name to which this particular link has to be referred. So I have just mentioned it as theme.css. It should be if since this theme.css I have not created it, let me create it now. So I've created these styles in the previous videos, right? So probably we can remove this now. Let me remove the entire tag here. Just Control X. I just saved it. Save it. I'll just open another notepad. New notepad. Now I will save this notepad. Probably we can just open that and add the style whatever we have created. Now this is not, I'm not going to create any HTML document, so I'll remove this tag here. Okay, so I'll just remove all the unnecessary spaces, just rearranging the text so that it is easy for the readers, for the viewers to understand. I'm just deleting the unused tags because we are not writing any tags here. And if you see in the notepad, it is referring to theme.css. Any CSS file would look like this. So what we have created now in this text document is the CSS. Let me save this as theme.css. So I'll just say theme.css and change the type. Just click save. Now we are seeing that the theme file has been created. I can safely remove this document now, delete it. So my main HTML document says that is linked to a CSS file with name theme.css. We'll just check whether this HTML file is referring to this theme or not. I'm just opening it. Yeah, you see, still the styles are applied. So in the previous tab, we were using inline styles where the tags or the CSS were written inside the HTML document. In this second tab, you are seeing that these CSS are moved to another theme.css